got all these groceries from Amazon. Right when I picked it up, it already knew. Ready?
Find jalapeno at L9.
This is what the cart is looking like. You're all set. All right, we're gonna both try the mac and cheese first. I got all my groceries. It's time to do a haul. I bought chicken from Amazon. Hey, it's my family here. Make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. Also, don't skip the ads if you're a real. Anyways, today I'm gonna be headed to the Amazon Fresh store and I'm gonna take you along with me. I've seen all about it and basically, correct me if I'm wrong, I actually don't really know that much about it. It's a store where there's like not humans helping you cash things out. Basically, it's a store made for people with social anxiety or that are awkward and just don't want to talk to people. So perfect. There's like a bunch of sensors in the roof or something, and like it can tell what you pick up and like what you put in your cart, and it'll just add the total to like the screen on the cart, and you don't have to talk to anybody because why would you want to do that? So I'm headed there right now and I'm with Daniela and we're gonna check it out and see if it is worth it and see if the prices are more expensive than the rest of the stores, but I'm really excited. I'll see you guys there. Amazon Fresh. Amazon Fresh. Fresh avocado. Okay, so we're in the store now and I just set up my cart. You have to do like a little tutorial thingy and it shows you how to do it, and then you also just go in your Amazon app and then you just click shop fresh in store and you already have your cart in there and it just makes you scan a QR code. All right, I'm gonna pick up some romaine lettuce. So let's see how this goes. Okay, produce. Okay, it says I have to write the number in. Confirm quantity. Boom! Wow.
Putting the first item in, that's
wow.
so efficient.
Wow. Crazy. All right, so now I'm gonna get pears. So you have to like look at here and read the PLU. Wow. They have carts for kids. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab something that I won't have to type in. So I'm gonna grab these tomatoes here and see how it goes. Bitch, right when I picked it up, it already knew. Oh my God. It already knew before I put it in. Whoa. I think it's so cool how it already knows what you're grabbing before you even put it in the cart. I'm gonna grab a package of fruit so that I can eat it in the cart. I'm gonna grab, I think this
so
one.
good.
Yeah, and it's actually not, it's not too expensive. I mean, cut up fruit is already super expensive, but like usually stores charge way more. Ready? Wow. So right now, my thoughts on this is that it's really convenient. The only hard part of it is remembering the number and typing it in. I've typed it in a couple times that it's wrong, but I think it's so cool how efficient it is, and I think that this could be the future. They have my favorite fruit cups. I like peaches in gel.
No.
Yes,
No.
peaches in gel.
This girl is
Look
nasty.
at that. It knew it.
That girl.
That is the best. Oh my God, I need pickles. I ate all the pickles. I brought 2 jars of pickles and then I ate them all. Honestly, the best pickles are these, oh my God, $8? No. This, $2, way better. Ready? Wow. Wow. All right, these chicken breasts are really cheap, $6.87. Damn, Amazon has their own fucking chicken. Do you guys think they raise them in like the Amazon warehouse? Bitch, literally everyone is looking, but do I give a f? No. Make sure to subscribe because I'm embarrassing myself. Just kidding. That I don't give a f. Did anyone used to eat tuna with crackers in school? Because my mom would send me to school with snack packs. So we're gonna get 2 cans of tuna. Wow. These, oh my God, superior. I don't give a fuck, guys. Tuna's good. Shut the fuck up. If you guys don't think tuna's good, you guys have a baby's taste buds. Grow the fuck up. I'm kidding. Whoa, what the fuck is this? Alexa, they have Alexas? Okay. Alexa, where can I find baby shampoo?
I didn't catch that.
Alexa, where can I find a jalapeno?
Find jalapeno at L9 and produce coolers.
Wow. My favorite popcorn. You know what I do have to say though? These stores are way more crowded than any other grocery store. Like they're so f***ing crowded. And I think that there's more workers than in a regular grocery store. Like you see workers everywhere. If you needed help, it'd be so easy to get help. What the f is Fritos? I've never heard of Fritos until I came here. Fritos bean dip? What the hell? We don't have that in Canada. They even have just like regular stuff like vitamins and shampoos and everything here. Guys, do you guys remember Baby Lips? Bethany Moda? Oh my God, love you bitch. I was literally watching her videos the other day. Also, they have like so many options here. Like some of these I don't even see in regular stores. And also, if you guys are looking for a good razor, get these. There is dead ass traffic in this store, like traffic. Alright, I just grabbed the cheapest eggs possible. Like, bitch, I don't want to pay $5 for eggs. I'll pay $2. Half the price. Ice cream sandwiches hit different. but they're also bad for you, so I'm not gonna get them. Self-control. Y'all remember when bitches used to dye their hair with Kool-Aid? I'm bitches. Also, I used to have a Kool-Aid obsession. If you guys remember that, you guys are OGs. Like, I literally, Kool-Aid was my brand. Like, I was gonna make Kool-Aid merch, but I was gonna get sued, so then I didn't make Kool-Aid merch. I see the taquitos, but I'm making sure I don't get them because I would eat them all the time. I used to go to 7-Eleven and eat a beef taquito with a Pepsi Slurpee every day. I don't regret it one bit. Oh my god, I'm down the alcohol aisle. I'm not even 21. You know, in Canada, the age is 18 for drinking legally, and I'm about to turn 18 in December. December 5th, guys, mark the date. I just got the last Starbucks vanilla latte, and it's because I keep going to Starbucks every single fucking day, and I'm spending so much money there, but it's because I need my coffee. But when I'm at home, I make my coffee in a French press, but I'm not home right now, and I don't want to buy a French press here. Oh, my mom used to send me to school with one of these packets and said, eat it, it's lunch. I mean, shit slapped though. Like, I would still eat it to this day, like, no complaints. Like, I'm dead ass gonna buy some turkey breast because I love me some wraps. Bam. What the fuck? I've never seen that before. Sorry, I just gotta eat. She said, you already spent 50 bucks, Mai? Like, what the fuck? Anyways, I've never seen those in my life. Like, I've seen those separately, but never like a pack like that. Hi. I don't know what ounces are. I'm from Canada. We do grams. I also do grams. Oh my god, he said he does grams. He says we open to everyone. And I will always love you.
Oh, I love you.
So we're at the deli right now. My camera died, so I just ran out to the car. But we're at the deli. I just got some herb turkey. They have so many options. I also took my glasses off because I feel like you guys could see nothing on my face. But this is what the cart is looking like. Should we get some like meatballs and stuff and try the Amazon food?
That's what I was gonna say. I want to try the I want to try the pesto.
They have some subs and stuff already ready. They also have sushi. They also have some mashed potatoes, some macaroni and cheese. We'll try it. Go to Earth Cafe or Panera and we just eat mac and cheese all day.
Only mac and cheese?
Or we'll go to a legit restaurant, order mac and cheese.
You guys need something else, or is that fine?
Oh my god, we're really racking up 60 bucks. My one meatball. I got a meatball. They have real meals. Like real meals. I'm gonna get one. It's like IKEA. Can I get a chicken plate? Thank you. I got it. Got the goods. Yeah. Boom. Wow. I think they have like a bunch of just random shit from Amazon. I don't know exactly what it is. I mean, if you want to buy a book, you can buy a book. Okay, I think I want to grab a drink so that we can have a little mukbang. I'm gonna have some honey green tea for our little snack. Also, if y'all want to buy like an Echo or an Alexa, you can. If you want to return something from Amazon, you guys can here. There's like everything here, and you can like do a pickup. There's some batteries here if you needed it. Some office supplies if you needed it. I don't know why you would get it here though, but like if you needed it. Is this flour or broccoli? It's a flour, but it looks like broccoli. French baguette, oui oui. You're all set. Calculating total. Damn! And we out. Bitch, I almost hit someone. 100 points. So we're back in the car now. We just finished up at Amazon. And overall, my thoughts about the store is really convenient. And if you were in there to grab a couple things, super quick. Like super quick. You don't have to wait in line and stuff like that. But the store is so fucking crowded. There's traffic. You have to stop your cart and like watch people go and stop your cart and then watch people go. There's a lot of traffic in that store. But I would say they have a wide variety of things. I didn't think that they would have that much stuff.
It's cheap too compared to other stores.
I don't think it's like that expensive. I would go shop here rather than any other store.
I think I'm gonna come here instead.
All right, so we're gonna eat our food now. First, we're gonna try the mac and cheese. So food haul, I got this Carvery plate with a chicken, corn, and mashed potatoes and gravy. I got one singular meatball, some berry mix, and then I also got mac and cheese.
I got some pesto stuff, mac and cheese, and fruit, and oh, I got fried rice. Where did it go? I think that's my fried rice.
What?
Yeah, it's my fried rice.
All right, we're gonna both try the mac and cheese first.
Mac and cheese is my favorite food.
This was $3.14. Ready? Cheers.
It's good.
It's good, but it kind of tastes floury. I feel like they didn't mix the flour and the butter together enough. That's pretty good. All right.
I'll eat any mac and cheese. I don't care.
Now, I'm gonna try the chicken platter. This is a whole ass meal.
We got dinner.
This is what the chicken looks like. I spilt my corn all over it. Let's try the mac. Let's try the mashed potatoes and gravy. I am a whore for gravy. It's good, but like honestly, it's like not that flavorful. The corn and peppers are good.
It tastes like meat. It tastes like a piece of meat.
Let's try the chicken. I bought chicken from Amazon.
Good?
The chicken's dry.
So you don't like it?
It's alright. Like it's definitely good, but I don't know why I was expecting more. This was only $6. This is so good for $6.
I love cold pasta. Pasta salads are like my go-to. And now my fried rice.
For $6, holy shit. That's amazing.
No. What the fuck? You try that.
Ew, why is it so moisturized? This bitch put on some Nivea. Ugh. Yeah.
Fuck
no baby.
What is that?
Ugh, time to try this cold ass meatball.
Oh, looks so good.
I love meatballs. Danny and I just eat meatballs.
Oh,
so just looking at it already, the texture is kind of whack. What is this texture? Can you guys see? Let's try it.
I've tried every meatball there is. Let me see.
It's not bad. It's
I
just like a
can't
fucking
eat.
frozen, chewy, flavorless meatball. That's how I can describe it.
If it was hot, it'd be good. It does taste frozen.
Let's try the fruit and berry mix. How can you go wrong with this? Let's try the hard ass mango.
It sounds like an apple.
Let's try this piece. Some of the mango isn't ripe, but the ripe ones are good. I love this store.
It's a really good store.
Wow, I'm gonna eat more of this, and I'll see you guys when we're home. Two bitches are trying to open this bottle right now. I'll grip it, and then, okay, no, how about you grip it?
I'm gonna twist it.
No, my hands are slipping.
No, we can't.
This drink.
Should we go ask a man?
No. Okay, I got all my groceries. It's time to do a haul. First off, we have some vanilla latte, smooth and creamy chilled espresso beverage from Starbucks because I just need to drink coffee and not wait 10 hours for Uber Eats and spend 12 bucks on a regular coffee, which should not be 12 bucks. Then I have this Cheeseheads combo pack of Colby Jack and turkey sticks. I don't know, I just love cheese and sausage. Yum. Then we got them Snackums pickles, which the smaller the pickles, the crunchier they are. So get small pickles. Then we have 2 cans of tuna because tuna, mayonnaise, and peppers slap with lettuce wraps or crackers. Yum. So Daniela was judging me for getting these, but these gel peaches cups are like the best thing ever. Sorry, they're way better than just like the fruit. Then I got some herb turkey because I like turkey with my wraps and stuff. And then I got some Angel Sweet Miraculously Sweet Tomatoes because I like snacking on these. Then I got some Boom Chicka Pop because this is the best snack, and I like chips, but this is like a healthier version. But popcorn honestly smacks. I like it. It's salty. Then I got some 100% natural chicken breast from Amazon. Like, this is an Amazon brand. And what I like to do, this is cheaper than buying fresh ones, I think. I just pull out like 2, put it in a Ziploc bag, and then put that in the freezer. And I just eat it whenever I like. Then I got eggs. 12 of them to be exact. And I actually cracked one a little bit. But that's okay. Then I got frozen veggies because this is just easy to throw with your chicken and just anything you're eating, you know? You gotta get those veggies in your diet. So this is broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, and this is whole green beans. I love green beans. They're so good with soy sauce. Easy. You throw it in the microwave, boom, steam. Then I got some Amazon brand fresh sliced mushrooms because you just put this in your omelet, eggs, anything. Yummy. Chicken Alfredo. Yummy. Then I got some squished ass romaine lettuce for my tuna wrap and just some Caesar salad. Delicioso. I got 2 mangoes to eat, obviously. I just dropped a mango. Then I got 2 avocados, even though there's a bunch of avocados at home. I don't know why. And I got 2 pears. So that's all the groceries that I got. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. I got all these groceries for only $60, which I think is like pretty fucking bad, to be honest though. I got all these groceries from Amazon, which I never thought I would say. Anyways, we're gonna put this in the fridge now, and then yeah. If you guys don't know, I post twice a week on YouTube, Mondays and Fridays at 9 a.m. PST. Subscribe to stay in the loop because I post a bunch of random videos. And I also have more grocery videos if you guys are into that. Make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Follow my social medias. And if you guys want, comment something down below because I do read every single one of my comments. Alright, until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.